1. We were in now node 2. Who am I? You are a Ants test. In Ants test directory, if you look at ls-al, it has created now just a .ssh folder. Just it is created. See the date command. Now it is 1441. Now it is 1440 time it is created. At 1440 it is created. If you go to the .ssh folder, it has created one more file called authorized_key file. In the authorized_key file, it has updated with that public key. It has updated with that public key. node1.mylab.local public keys. ssh_rsa key is updated. Okay, now the public key is copied over here. Private key you have. So with that particular private key, you can connect it. Right? It is a key and lock kind of mechanism. Right? Done. Now, previously, when I run the, okay, now I'm exiting here. Exit. Okay, I'm in again Ansible server. When I run this command previously, it has failed, right? Unable to connect kind of thing. Now, this time, we'll try to look at this again. Now, without password, okay. What is the problem? Failed to connect to that particular host. So, okay, let us do one thing. I'll try to say simply, yeah, I'm trying to, okay, I try to say user. I'll try to say user as Ants test. Ants test, right? And -, 1 minute. All -u Ants test. Right? I'm saying that username is this, but I didn't given any password. I'm trying to connect with a PEM file called my public key already copied. Now you see that it is changed. Success changed is true. Change. See, whenever you get a yellow color kind of a output, that is something changed over there. That means it is copied something over there. If you get a green color output, it is saying that something it is not changed. Green color means success fine, but it is not changed. If you look at, I'm trying to run again the same command. This time it will try to connect again, but if you look at here, it is green color symbol. That is nothing but changed is false. Yes, it is connected successfully, but it doesn't change anything. Why? Because in my destination already the file is exist. Any configuration management tool, if it is the file, your desired resource is already in a desired state. If your resource in a desired state, it will not change anything. That concept we call as idempotency, right? Did we discuss idempotency in Chef, guys? Can I have a response? Did we discuss idempotency? Yes. So what is meant by idempotency now? If your resource is already in a desired state, okay, configuration management tool does not change anything. Let us do one thing. Let us say vi/tmp. I'm trying to change my source file /tmp/test file. Okay, this is to test Ansible copy something. Okay, now again run the command. This time it will change or not? Ideally it should change, right? Why? Because I updated something. See that it has changed. Now go to that particular server, and where it is we copied in a temp ls-lrt. See that test file target. Open that file, test target file. Okay, this is to test Ansible copy. Copied, right? Any doubts in this now? So we have seen two ways. Whether if you don't have an SSH key copy to, okay, you don't have an option to copy into n number of servers, then you can use -k option to with a password. In a cloud or wherever nowadays, the passwords are not encouraging, right, people? Why? Because there may be a chance of compromising the password. So they are using a PEM files. The PEM files also I've shown you how to generate a PEM file and how to copy that. Okay. So we'll take a 5 minutes break here. Now it is something to 20 that I mean 8:15, right? 8:16. We'll meet again exact 5 minutes something. Okay, 8:22 kind of thing. Okay. So take a 5 minutes break and come back. Thank you. Hi guys, shall we continue? Shall we continue? Okay, so we copied it, but use of SSH copy. No, I want to copy some content. Amit, I want to copy some content in my configuration file. Use copy. Right? You have some content in your GitHub. I want to copy that content from my source to destination. Use copy module. You want to copy some file into n number of machines, you can use copy. Okay. Suppose let us say latest var file you want to download and you want to put it into some location. Yes, you can copy. Right? Is that clear, Amit? Now, before overwriting it, right? Before overwriting, to bypass. No, Amit. What I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to copy some file in n number of servers in a single go. It is located into my local server temp test file that I'm copying over here. Okay. Mode is nothing but permissions. 700 is nothing but permissions. If you look at here, what is this 700? Read, write, execute for user, rest of all zero. Let us say here, I'll try to say something like instead of 700, I could say something like 755. Right? So now try to look at what the permission will get over there. See that what is the permissions you got? Previously what you had? Previously you had only 700. Now you got 755 permissions because it is executed and changed. Before overwriting, I want to have a backup. Before overwriting, I want to have a backup. So how can I get a backup? You see that. Just go through that. Okay, understanding of that particular Ansible doc copy. So it will tell you how to take a backup. So if you look at here, I could say something like, where it is, you can say backup equals to yes, that's it, right? I could say something like backup equals to yes. So before going to that, I try to edit my temp file again. Okay, I say something like updated file, right? So before overwriting, I want to take a backup of that. I could say something like mode equals to 755, backup equals to yes. These are all, oh, come on, something went wrong. Just a minute. Right? Here I could say something like backup equals to yes. So before